We couldn't be more excited to be here today in Georgia to announce Rivian's decision to come here, because that allows me and my team and Rivian to capitalize on the education systems, the resources, and the depth and breadth of talent that resides here in Georgia.
Rivian's a unique company, and the company's emphasis on the environment and sustainability is carried throughout their work. I truly believe that this project will set a new standard as they look to preserve and protect the beauty and uniqueness of their new home.
The sustainable resources that Georgia has at its disposal, we feel will allow us to have an incredible partnership with the state. And we look forward to that incredible partnership over many years, where Georgian families and individuals that are part of Rivian will truly thrive.
This pivotal announcement represents a lot for our state, the largest single economic development project ever in our state's history. $5 billion of economic investment, 7,500 jobs for hardworking Georgians. Today is also about Georgia's emerging leadership role in a booming, innovative industry that will benefit our state and our citizens for generations to come. From the Port of Savannah to our logistics infrastructure, our world-class higher education institutions, and the best workforce development programs in the country. We have all been preparing for a company and a project like Rivian for a very long time.
Today's announcement with Rivian, as the governor said, is really just the beginning. Today is a welcome, but the partnership starts now. So Team Rivian, welcome to Georgia. We're glad to have you.